Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue theme of the channel. Today I'm CHHUOY again and I will take you how to using a layer mask inside the Filmora. As you can see here in my video is we can add the textures inside. It look like behind skins or behind uh, any video that you really want to do that. So now the first we're gonna drag it like this with the first video here, and now I'm gonna increase some size to make it easy. As you can see inside the video is now you can see the building is in the first frame is look like it is a normal video, but if you really want to add the text run just below it, you need to do one more step by adding layer mask to that video. So now let's get started. First we're gonna add some text. So simply we gotta add normal text like this, and double click on that and click on add one, and this place we're gonna type whatever you want. For example, now I'm gonna type my channel names. It look like this, and this we're gonna change some font style to make it more deeper. It look like this. Okay, now scroll down more, and this time we gotta add some shadow here. So click on shadow and select the black that you really want to do. And the next step we're gonna add some animation, and make sure that you have make it to be a smaller size enough. Don't make it too much, and put it just in the middle of this place here. And this time we're gonna add some animation. So click on animation, and we're gonna find this word that called right roll here. So double click on that, and if you see something that is working good, and then click OK. And now we're gonna drag it to be short enough to use with that. So okay, and then click on OK. And this time we go to media again and add the same of the video clip to the third timeline here. And now we're gonna disappearing with the eye icon here to add a layer mask here. So now this time we're gonna click on effect here, and then go to Unity, and then choose this one, image mask, and we simply drag it to the inside of the video part, so it look like this, and then double click on that, and then this time you will see the video effects here. So click on drop down menu, and then scroll down to find out the mask that you really want to do. So now we're gonna use this one here. Okay, this one here. So select on that, and this time we're gonna scale some part of the size. As you can see, it is a big size. So if you really want to make it to be a small and fit to the place that you want to add the text. So now we're gonna decrease some part of the width here. So now we simply drag up like this, and you need to move the part of this layer mask to be in the middle of the frame. So So now we're gonna click to remove that to be in the middle of the part here. And now we're gonna decrease some more. It look like this, and I make it to the middle again, and decrease some more here. Okay, a little bit more. Okay. Okay, and we gonna add the head should be from this place, because don't keep it too much. Okay, not this one. It is this one here. Okay, and we keep only some small part like this, and make it smaller if you can. Okay, make it some smaller. Okay, now we keep only from this part here. So if you want to make something that look like behind, you need to do like this with a layer mask here, and then we're gonna click on OK, and then make it everything to be visible again, and you will see the text is look like appearing just behind, but in fact it is not. Now click on show this layer again, and as you can see, now everything is look like real. So now let's get start to play from the first point of that. So now I'm gonna close some music here. Okay, now as you can see, the text is running behind this building tip here. Okay, now let's play again. Okay, it's working now. So this is a tip that we're gonna add some layer mask. If you want to be more scroll slowly, you're gonna add some okay, increase some size of this text like this. So if you really want it to be more working slowly. Okay, now let's get started again and click on OK first. Okay, now the text is running behind this building. So thank you guys for watching my video tutorial, and I hope you guys understand about it, and yes, you will be subscribed, share or comment below if you have any question.